Hey loves, I am finally back with a new video. I'm so sorry it took me so long. I've been going through some things and I just needed to get myself together. So in today's video, I will be steaming my hair for the first time. I'm starting out on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. I'm going in with Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Maruca Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. Now, I know some of y'all are about to be like, I thought she said Shea Moisture was canceled. No, they definitely still are. This was the only thing I could find in Walgreens on Christmas Day, so this is what I'm using. So I'm just making sure to evenly coat my hair and make sure the product is distributed all throughout, and then I'm just going to twist my hair back up in order to keep it stretched and detangled. I'm just making sure to get some of that deep conditioner on my edges and my nape area. Then I'm going to clip up my hair so that my ends can get steam as well. So I'm just going to open up the back part of the steamer. Then I'm going to fill it with bottled water. It specifically says that you cannot use tap water because of the high mineral content. And then I'm just going to fill it up halfway. I'm going to close up the steamer and then I'm going to press the ozone button because this releases thicker steam than the steam button. Then I'm going to sit under the steamer and then I'm going to take a towel and place it over my shoulders. This way no hot water drips onto me. And then I'm just going to sit under there for about 20 minutes. Okay, so the first main benefit of steaming your hair is that it opens up the hair cuticles, which allows your hair to better receive the product that you put in it. This helps moisturize the hair while increasing moisture retention. This then reduces breakage and increases elasticity. Steaming your hair can stretch your hair and also refresh your curls. Another benefit is that it helps to remove scalp buildup. All of these benefits help the steamer to promote hair growth. The only con I have about the steamer is that it doesn't really get the back of your hair. So I would suggest putting your head down every now and then so that the steam can hit the nape as well. So while taking down my hair, as you can see here, I was super shocked. I was touching my hair and it was super soft. Like my curls were moisturized. I was just like, as you can see, I just keep saying wow. Like I just couldn't believe how soft my hair was and how moisturized my curls looked. Like I haven't seen my hair look like this in I don't know how long. So I really feel like the steamer definitely just saved my hair. I like using this better than the dryer bonnet because I feel like the dryer bonnet gets too hot. So I definitely think the steamer is going to be one of my staples for a very long time. I really like it. If you guys have ever used a steamer, let me know your experience with it and what you like or dislike about it. Here's my hair with no product, and as you can see, my curls are still popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.